producing the most local news of any station.
So you owe more than your home is worth, and making the payments seems like nothing more than a futile attempt to keep current, right? Well, in the Sacramento area, that story is all too common. But this month, a revamped government program is putting a solution for a lot of people within reach.
It's my dream house. Big property, small house.
For James and Melissa Metzel, buying this Loomis home in 2007 was just the beginning.
Kids, family, the classic American dream.
A few months in,
My husband and I tried to have kids.
their hopes for a family crumbled.
It didn't work.
That got the ball rolling. James also got hurt on the job.
Bills, you start getting too many bills.
Money got tight, and their $2,600 house payment became a stretch. President Obama's Making Home Affordable refi program seemed like a slam dunk to get that payment down.
They say, oh, you're guaranteed to qualify. Then you tell them the numbers, and they'd say, well, there's nothing we can do.
The roadblock?
We didn't have any equity.
The Metzels thought the market had bottomed out when they bought their house 4 years ago, but who could have predicted this? From $485,000 in 07 to
$375,000, so about $100,000 less.
underwater, $100,000 or about 20%, something thousands of other homeowners in the Sacramento area are facing too. So even though they had perfect credit to qualify for Making Home Affordable, you could only be underwater 5%. That is until now. In October, the government revamped that program. Mortgage guru Dan Foster connected the dots for James and Melissa.
It is going to eliminate completely the limit of underwater or negative equity that a homeowner has.
When I heard that, I'm like, yeah.
For good reason, they applied again, and a few weeks ago, the Metzels' dark financial cloud
The loan appears to meet Fannie Mae's eligibility.
started to fade away.
They're going to save over $500 a month.
A month. For the Metzels, it's not just keeping their house. It means James can finally go back to work.
We can save $500 a month. I can take a loan out, or I can go ahead and purchase this boat that I want and get my captain's license and start being a fishing guide.
But underwater isn't the same as being on the edge of foreclosure.
People that are able to afford their mortgage payments, who've been toughing it out, even though they feel a little imprisoned in a home that has lost equity and that is upside down, this is an answer and solution for them.
Great success story there, huh? Well, getting rid of the underwater limit made the program accessible to a whole lot more people than prior to that. But there are some other restrictions to this, though. The biggest is that your loan has got to be owned by Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, and those agencies might own your loan even if you write your check at the end of every month for your mortgage to a standard bank. Check out fox40.com. You can check out the story. Also, more information about the program and how you can figure out if your loan is owned by Fannie or Freddie or not.
It's amazing because in all of this, it's hard to find people that actually have benefited from some sort of a program like this, and you met them.
Yeah, and now 1 million people across the country is what they're estimating that this could help out.
Right, 15 million altogether, though, that are still underwater. So we've got a long way to go.
Yep.
We do.
Yep.
A lot of people in Stockton will be calling their insurance companies in the morning. We'll go back live for an update.